Like,
oh yeah.
This is my first topwater fish. This is literally my first topwater fish. That was cool.
Oh man.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're at Katherine's Landing on Lake Mohave. We're gonna do some fishing. Wait a second, is that Irvin?
Hey, fancy seeing you here.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I was hoping I can catch a ride, do some fishing.
Well, let's go. All right, Irvin, how many are we gonna catch today?
I'd say 10.
10?
Yeah.
That's a good number.
I say 10.
We're just gonna land one on the boat. It's gonna be mine.
This is nice.
Yeah, I like it down here.
Yeah, me too.
Some scenic fishing.
Nice.
What'd you say, asshole?
Hey, duck, duck, go.
All right, first catch. See what we got.
Largie. No, yeah, largie.
Yeah, largie.
Yeah. Come on up here, sir.
Knew there'd be a bass in here.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
On the drop shot.
On the drop shot. And the hook is out.
Perfect. Didn't even have to get it out of him.
Nope. Heck yeah. Not a bad one. For the first one, about a pound, pound and a half. Cool.
Right back down. He looked at that and then he looks at us. Like, what are you doing?
Two babies.
Oh yeah.
It's a flock of donkeys.
Here. Oh, maybe it's not big. Maybe it's just a smallie. He feels big. Oh, geez. Holy crap. All right, he didn't look big, but he feels.
Oh yeah, he was right in there too. Is that a largie? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a largie.
Damn, the way it was fighting.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
All right, let's get him out of here. What's that?
You get a little bit deeper in there.
Oh, it wasn't worth the shot, actually. Heck yeah. First smallie of the day. Oh, perfect.
Got him. Oh, I'm bad. Camera too hot. Turn it off.
I got you. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I guess you're right. These tulies are good for two
Yeah,
bass.
they're good for two. Man, that Aaron's Magic Robo Worm, man.
Dude,
Oh yeah.
these are a secret.
Hey, that net, bud.
Yeah.
Another largie.
Where's all the smallies? Oh, crap. I'm sorry. Hold on. Largies are fighting good.
Yeah.
I'm not used to them fighting like that.
Right? Heck yeah.
Nice. It's the top of his lip. I wonder if that's where I had him.
Look. He's caught before.
Yeah.
He's been caught before. All right.
Cool.
All largies, huh?
All day.
Hey, I'm not complaining. All right, I'm coming, buddy.
Whoa!
Need a net?
Yeah. It's a little guy, but at least I'll get to see him if I use the net.
Yeah, another largie. It's the same one I got.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
You done? Healthy.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all like that size, like 1.5 pounds, but they're all healthy, yeah.
Bye-bye, fishy. Oh, right down to the bottom. What is that, guys? That big old dot on there. Little guy. A little tiny one.
Is he up shallow, huh?
I got the small one of the day award.
Still a largie. Where'd you get him? Up shallow, right?
I think just right here against these bushes. Yeah, nice little guy.
Yeah. Hey.
Bye-bye.
Told you you'd get one in here.
That was half of one. That one doesn't count. I'm still next. Oh, maybe there's some truth to that sonar chart thing.
What's that?
I think that Windy app said or had bones for the fish.
They were what?
Just bones. You know, on the Windy app, when you look at the forecast, it says like how good the fishing's gonna be.
It tells you how good it's gonna be?
Yeah.
They say it's not gonna be so good?
From like the moon and sun phases or whatever.
Well, we still got 6.
Yeah.
So f you, Windy.
Can't be the only bass boat that's done this.
Yeah, right. Oh, did I cross you?
That's a fish.
Camera's too hot. Right.
Oh shit. It's too hot, it's shady.
Seems like every day, or every time he's been working worse.
Well, after I see the video on this, I might tell you to get one of these. 'Cause
With a net? Sorry.
it's been wonderful so far. Not one overheat.
Right.
Is that a small? Oh no.
No.
It looked dark. I thought it was a smallie for a second. Just the head.
Yeah. Nice.
Pretty little one. Hello.
In a larger kind of day, brother.
Like,
oh yeah.
This is my first topwater fish. This is literally my first topwater fish. That was cool.
Oh man. We were just like, yo, cool. Your first topwater, huh?
Yes.
Beautiful.
I've literally never fished topwater, but I always thought it'd be fun. Oh, look at that. Like right through the tip of his lip.
We were like,
oh,
that's a biggie. Fatty.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
First
dude.
topwater.
Hell yeah.
I just wasn't expecting to catch anything on the topwater, to be honest. Look at that bass. First topwater bass. Thank you. Thank you for biting that. He's got him in the tip of the lip too. That's like so perfect. That's so freaking awesome. Yeah. I'm not expecting even a bite, and then that's why I went, really? Like, hey, oh, that's a carp. Oh, that one makes a good one. Well, thanks for oh! Yeah!
Oh, hell yeah!
Dude!
Hell yeah!
He's not a bad size either. He's bigger than that last one, I think. Oh yeah, he's bigger than the last one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah!
2 on the top water, man. Good for you. Okay, great. Hell yeah. They're out of the water.
All right, guys. Headed back to the ramp. It's been an awesome freaking day.
Hell yeah.
How was it, Irvin?
Oh, it was amazing. It was an amazing time. It was an amazing time.
So we'll see you guys next time on the water. Woo! Yeah, the donkey threesome. Donkey threesome. Don't see that every day.
We got donkey threesome. Mount that shit.
Would you jackasses stop it? You're in public.